fuck it, dude. Fuck it all. Yo, maybe hit fucking sleep. None of this would matter. You wouldn't hear a peep. I wouldn't hear the chatter. I wouldn't care about the disaster. I forever dream of being a famous fucking rapper. I forever see what I want to see. Maybe then you'd actually happily be with me to a degree. I can see what's real and why you're not willingly here. I know how you really feel and you try to conceal it when you should just reveal it. I feel like a villain who just isn't appealing, but I just don't know how to get by. And all I do is cry. You used to take pride in being mine. Now it's like you wanna run and hide. I don't want us to divide. I'm sorry that I fucking lied. I'm sorry I should have tried a lot harder, but it died. And now I'm dead inside, craving for it to happen physically. R.I.P. to me, I can't deal with this easily. I'm unstable emotionally, so it's time to make my things happen drastically. Yeah. Oh, actually, no. Fuck the idea that I'm having. Oh wait, I'm ending it now.